Welcome back, YouTube. This is a 2014 to a 2022 Toyota Tundra Limited install video for the bottom. What you will need for this project is going to be a socket set as well as a socket wrench. We need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, hog ring pliers, and a steamer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to separate this bottom frame from the top frame, and then we'll get to steaming this bottom foam. So, looks like on this side, you can see we've got bolt here, bolt here. So we need to get those undone. And then camera 2. So we've got this little seatbelt's kind of in the way. You can undo this one if you want to. Get that out of your way. But we need a little screwdriver, Phillips head, to disconnect this little plastic trim piece. So let's get that done. Oh yeah, that works. Oh yeah, gym tan laundry, yeah. What else we got? Screw right here. Alright, we got that. And then same on this side, so as soon as I got that plastic trim off, 2 13mm bolts. Disconnect on each side. Doesn't matter. It's not my job. We got a cable here. Couple shorties. I like to do one on each side so it doesn't just... Yeah, just let it fall. Boom. Got that out. Now, one crucial part we forgot, or I forgot, is to unclip or unconnect anything that's on the bottom.
It sounds like you're breaking.
Nothing's broken, I promise. But I don't know. Could be just a beautiful mistake. There you go, see? Simple. Never have to worry about that again. Now, we got that guy. Oh, that's just an easy push and pull, baby. That's called DP. Our top is separated from our bottom. All right. Next thing we're doing is looking cool. We're gonna steam this foam. This is the most important thing we always talk about, is steaming the foam, because as you can see, you can push on this and it feels like you're pushing on a piece of cardboard. You don't really want to sit on a piece of cardboard, do you? You want to sit on something that's firm, but it's got some give to it. Here we've got these little attachment methods via, this is like a wood stick bar. Usually it's a bar of metal that runs through the seat foam, and you'd connect it via hog rings, like old school hog rings you would use to pierce hog's nose. Should come in a bag of about 10 or 20 in your package. And then hog ring pliers. These are sold separately. They are not sold together, so if you want to buy these, I think they're $20 now for a pair of pliers and hog rings. So watch this pretty. Oh! Nice steam over, just. Ovado Kadava! Ladies and gentlemen, there is 2 different attachment types on this cover. You're going to have these hog ring bars that will be attached via hog rings, and then you're going to have these 2 Velcro attachments here at the top of the foam. So just like on the cover, boom, Velcro, hog ring bar, hog ring bar, hog ring bar. Point, our tip, we do not supply the hog ring bars. You will have to use the hog ring bars that are currently in your old OEM cover. So when you take your old cover off, you'll just feed this guy right through that do-on loop, and then you'll push it right into our do-on loop. And voila, you have a hog ring bar. Alright, so let's get this installed on your old beat up ass phone. Let's see. What should we do first? Let's set this first hog ring strip. Alright, I like to do. Oh, and notice we also have the foam off the frame, so we'll see if that works better. Alright, I think it's 3. Boom. So, 2 different types of pliers. We've got these guys, which I love best. These are just manual ones that you put the hog ring in there. Then you got spring-loaded ones that are tight. So that way you can just pull them open, put the hog ring bar in there, hog ring in there, and then you can just, they automatically lock. I don't really care for them. Everyone else loves them. So. Alright, 1 down. And what you're trying to do with these hog rings is you're trying to get it attached to one side of the bar and then the bar that's inside the foam. So you're basically just tying those together with these hog rings, or creating a ring to form those 2 bars together to keep them tight to each other. Ew. How? Let's see this. I'll take that one out first. Dude, all my burps just smell like brisket now. So yeah, it's a good thing. Yo, tell me you're rich without telling me you're rich. Let me burp in your face. Damn it. Is that in? Oh yeah, that's probably not in. That's in. Alright, so we've got the bottom connected. Now, let's get this bar back in there. Now you can pick your poison. You can go on either side. I will choose the left side. It's kind of like those old Star Wars books, like Choose Your Adventure. You know what I'm talking about, right, Aurelia? Choose your own adventure.
Uh-huh.
Psych, I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, dang, bro. All right. Two. Let's get it. We gotta get this last one on this side. There we go. Now let's get this Velcro set. Okay.
Anything we missed? Key element.
All right. So we've got it all connected. Let's go ahead and try to wrap this phone. Call them out. Now, some of y'all might be looking at this cover and saying, whoa, y'all do custom covers? This is not a custom cover. This video is like it's a 2014 to a 2022 Toyota Tundra. So these covers, same pattern as the 14 to 17, but the only difference is they add the darker color on the accent of the cover. So, fun fact, this is not a custom. This is the newer Tundra. And all you Toyota people probably already knew that, so you can just ignore everything I just said. Call them out, call them out, call them out. Will you marry me, Splathead? That probably goes right there. No. All right. I think we've got everything on the phone. Good to go. All right, we'll put it on one side. All right. Pretty sure the little cutouts for this guy. But be careful, that thing is sharp, boy. All right. All right. I'm gonna do these guys. Boom. 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 And it's kind of, if it's too hard for you to do by hand, you can take a little flathead screwdriver, put it up in the clip, and then kind of create some leverage to pull it up there higher. All right, so this one, will you marry me? Got that one in there. This one probably gets, I'm imagining it gets rolled up right there. Oh, what I'm trying to do, you can see here, this clip goes on right here. So you see teeth, which just means that the metal frame is pushed inward so that the clip has something to bite onto. So what you have to do is right there in this tight little space is you've got to roll or flip this clip and then push it down onto that so it has something to bite onto. That is what I'm working on right now. On camera 1, you can pick it up and kind of guess what I'm doing. That's kind of hard to, you don't really have much room to put your fingers and all that, so I'm just trying to figure out how in the world. I feel like I'm just chewing up my nail.
Ooh.
There we go.
Alright, now that should be easy.
That was it.
That's it. Alright, let's leave this off.
So, take that off and it makes that much. Little rolling action. Yeah, like that. Lock in.
You're ready?
Yeah. I think, look at that. Look how tight that is. Take that to SEMA. Slap it on the butt. Looks pretty good. So we've got the seat cover installed. What we're gonna do now is kind of get some steam going, kind of smooth out some of these little wrinkles, edges, see if we can't get them out. Now again, with this A surface here, you want to be careful. This is leather. You don't want to hold that on there because it will shrink that leather up and turn it into bacon, and you do not want that. The vinyl sides, which are typically your wraps, like what wraps around the seat cover, is going to be vinyl. So that you can kind of leave a little more. You can use a little more heat, keep it on there. Shouldn't hurt it too much. Same with like cloth, carpet, all that kind of stuff. It'll be good. It's really just leather. You want to be careful you're not sitting there holding on there, because you will turn that thing into beef jerky for sure. And then your man or your lady be like, "Whoa, what? Man, your truck used to look good. Till you shrank that thing to beef jerky, you should have listened to Justin." Should have listened to that little man Justin at the seashore. I'll put a little heat on there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install a Toyota Tundra cover on a 14 to 22 Toyota Tundra Limited. If you have any questions, please give us a visit at www.theseatshop.com.